Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I make a presentation of Mining Express. What will I talk about? First I will talk about what is Mining Express, then I will talk about mining contracts, different bonuses, and then at the end I compare Mining Express with other mining services. So what is Mining Express? Mining Express is a mining service where you gain daily Bitcoins. Mining Express has 6 different bonuses for marketing, and at Mining Express you can develop your own team. So now the mining contracts. There are 4 different mining contracts. The first one, as you can see on the right side, is the beginner, then standard, professional and master. If you buy one, the contract will start in 3 days. When will the contract terminated? The contract will be terminated when it reaches 200%. For example, you buy the standard plan, the standard contract for $500. It will stops when it reach $1,000. And if you want to start with beginner, you have to know you don't get any bonuses. So there are 6 different bonuses. The first bonus is the direct bonus. You receive this bonus every time you directly register a new contract in your money network. So if you sign up a new member, for example, you get a bonus of him. The second one is a binary bonus. You receive this bonus for every new cycle completed in the lower side of the business value of your money network. So for every cycle you get a bonus too. Indirect bonus. You receive this bonus every time a direct referral receives a direct bonus. So every time when your direct referral receives a direct bonus, you get an indirect bonus. And now next, mega matching. You receive this bonus every time a direct referral receives a binary bonus. It should be easy to understand. Then the next, the residual bonus, $10. You receive this bonus when the system automatically deducts the service fee from your direct indications. Sixth residual bonus, you receive this bonus when you direct referral receive a daily mining bonus. For more information about the bonuses, check my channel. I explained every bonus. So check my channel out if you want to know more about bonuses. Then to the last one, comparing with other services. I compared it with BitClub, Rockwell Investment, Genesis Mining. The cost per megahash per second is at BitClub unknown because you buy at BitClub a pool. Rockwall is at $35. At Genesis Mining also. At Mining Express only $24. And at the BitClub your pool runs after 30 days. Rockwall also. At Genesis Mining I don't really know because they offer new contracts but they will run later in a time. And at Mining Express it runs after 3 days. So what you have to pay minimum at BitClub. At BitClub you have to pay minimum $500 for a pool plus $99 for the membership. At Rockwall it's only $28, Genesis Mining $1,500 and at Mining Express $100. Well, what is about the running time? At BitClub it runs 1000 days. At Rockwell Investments 730 days. Genesis Mining 2 years. And at MyExpress it stops when it reaches the 200%. That's it. I hope I could make a good video for you. If you wanna join MyExpress, link to register is in the description and also in the comments. Have a great day.